Welcome to our countdown of the best smart water bottles of 2024. Are you tired of forgetting to stay hydrated throughout the day? Do you want a water bottle that does more than just hold liquid? Well, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into the world of smart water bottles that not only keep your drinks at the perfect temperature, but also track your hydration, remind you to drink, and even purify your water. Let's get started with our list of the top 7 smart water bottles that are revolutionizing the way we hydrate. Starting our list at number 7 is the UVBRITE Go Self-Cleaning UV Water Bottle. This innovative bottle combines sleek design with cutting-edge UVC LED technology to ensure you're always drinking clean, purifying water. I've been using the UVBRITE Go for a few weeks now, and I'm impressed with its self-cleaning capabilities. The bottle uses UVC light to eliminate up to 99.99% of bacteria and viruses in just 60 seconds. This feature is particularly useful when you're traveling or hiking and unsure about the quality of your water source. One of the standout features of the UVBRITE Go is its intuitive touch-activated lid. A simple tap initiates the purification process, and the LED indicator lets you know when your water is ready to drink. The bottle is made from high-quality, BPA-free stainless steel, which keeps your water cold for up to 24 hours. I found the 18.6 ounces capacity to be perfect for my daily needs, fitting easily into my gym bag and car cup holder. The rechargeable battery lasts for about a month with regular use, which is convenient for those who don't want to charge their bottle frequently. While the UVBRITE Go doesn't have some of the advanced tracking features of other smart bottles on our list, its self-cleaning functionality makes it a solid choice for those prioritizing water purity. It's an excellent option for outdoor enthusiasts or frequent travelers who want peace of mind about their water quality. Coming in at number 6 is the EQUA Smart Water Bottle, a stylish and functional option for those looking to improve their hydration habits. This bottle combines elegant design with smart technology to help you track and maintain your daily water intake. I've been testing the EQUA Smart Water Bottle for the past month, and I'm impressed with its sleek appearance and user-friendly features. The bottle syncs with a companion app on your smartphone via Bluetooth, allowing you to set personalized hydration goals based on your age, weight, and activity level. One of the most eye-catching features of the EQUA bottle is its glowing reminder system. The bottle's base illuminates at regular intervals to remind you to take a sip. I found this gentle nudge to be surprisingly effective in keeping me on track with my hydration goals throughout the day. The EQUA Smart Water Bottle is made from high-quality, double-walled stainless steel, which keeps your drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. I particularly appreciated this feature during long work days when I wanted my water to stay refreshingly cool. While the EQUA bottle doesn't have some of the advanced purification features of other bottles on our list, its focus on tracking and encouraging regular water consumption makes it a great choice for those looking to build better hydration habits. The app provides detailed insights into your drinking patterns and even allows you to set custom reminders for specific times of the day. At number 5, we have the LevelUpWay Glass Hydrogen Generator Smart Water Bottle, a unique entry in the smart water bottle market. This bottle goes beyond simple hydration tracking by actually altering the composition of your water to potentially enhance its health benefits. I've been experimenting with the LevelUpWay bottle for the past few weeks, and it's certainly an intriguing product. The bottle uses electrolysis to infuse your water with additional hydrogen molecules, which some studies suggest may have antioxidant properties. The LevelUpWay bottle features a dual-chamber design with a built-in hydrogen generator. To use it, you simply fill the bottle with water, press a button, and wait for about 5 minutes while the device infuses your water with hydrogen. The process is indicated by a gentle bubbling in the water and a blue light on the bottle's base. One of the standout features of this bottle is its high-quality borosilicate glass construction. Not only does this make the bottle more eco-friendly than plastic alternatives, but it also ensures that no unwanted flavors are imparted to your hydrogen-rich water. The bottle comes with a protective sleeve to prevent breakage and improve grip. While the health benefits of hydrogen-rich water are still being researched, I did notice that the water from the LevelUpWay bottle tasted exceptionally clean and smooth. The bottle also includes a hydrogen inhalation attachment, which is an interesting addition for those looking to explore the potential benefits of hydrogen therapy. Taking the fourth spot on our list is the PureVis Smart Water Bottle, a high-tech solution that combines water purification with intelligent hydration tracking. This bottle uses UVC LED technology to purify your water while also helping you stay on top of your daily water intake. I've been using the PureVis bottle for over a month now, and I'm impressed with its combination of features. The bottle's standout feature is its built-in UVC LED cap, which eliminates up to 99.9999% of bacteria and 99.99% of viruses in your water. I found this particularly reassuring when refilling my bottle from public water fountains or during outdoor activities. The PureVis bottle connects to a smartphone app via Bluetooth, allowing you to track your water consumption and set personalized hydration goals. The app is user-friendly and provides insightful data on your drinking habits over time. I especially appreciated the reminders to drink water, which can be customized based on your schedule and preferences. In terms of design, the PureVis bottle is sleek and modern, made from high-quality stainless steel with double-wall vacuum insulation. This keeps your water cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. I found the 17 ounces capacity to be perfect for daily use, fitting easily into my bag and car cup holder. One of the most convenient features of the PureVis bottle is its self-cleaning function. The UVC light activates every 2 hours to keep the inside of the bottle clean and prevent the growth of bacteria. This means less frequent manual cleaning, which is a big plus for busy individuals. Coming in at number 3 is the HidrateSpark PRO Smart Water Bottle, a fan favorite in the smart hydration world. This bottle combines cutting-edge tracking technology with a fun, interactive design to make staying hydrated both easy and enjoyable. I've been using the HidrateSpark PRO for several weeks now, and it's quickly become an essential part of my daily routine. The bottle's standout feature is its glowing reminder system. The base of the bottle illuminates at regular intervals to remind you to drink water, and you can customize the color and frequency of these reminders in the companion app. The HidrateSpark PRO uses advanced sensor technology to track every sip you take. It syncs this data with the smartphone app via Bluetooth, providing you with detailed insights into your hydration habits. I found the app to be intuitive and informative, offering personalized hydration goals based on factors like your age, weight, activity level, and local weather conditions. One of the things I love about this bottle is its integration with other fitness apps and devices. It can sync with platforms like Apple Health, Fitbit, and Google Fit, allowing you to see your hydration data alongside other health metrics. This holistic approach to health tracking is incredibly useful for anyone serious about their overall wellness. The HidrateSpark PRO is made from BPA-free Triton plastic and features vacuum-insulated stainless steel, keeping your drinks cold for up to 24 hours. I was impressed with how well it maintained the temperature of my water throughout long work days. The bottle comes in various sizes, but I found the 21 ounces version to be perfect for my needs. Taking the second spot on our list is the Thermos Bottle with Smart Lid, a product that combines the trusted insulation technology of Thermos with modern smart features. This bottle is perfect for those who want to track their hydration while ensuring their beverages stay at the perfect temperature. I've been testing the Thermos Smart Lid bottle for the past month, and I'm impressed with its blend of classic functionality and modern technology. The bottle uses Thermos vacuum insulation technology to keep drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. I found this particularly useful for long work days or outdoor activities where I wanted my water to stay refreshingly cool. The Smart Lid is where this bottle really shines. It features a built-in LCD screen that displays the current temperature of your beverage and tracks how much you've consumed throughout the day. The lid syncs with a smartphone app via Bluetooth, allowing you to set hydration goals and receive reminders to drink. One feature I particularly appreciated was the bottle's ability to measure both water and other beverages. Whether I was drinking water, tea, or a sports drink, the Smart Lid accurately tracked my intake. This versatility makes it an excellent choice for those who like to vary their hydration options. The Thermos Smart Lid bottle is made from durable stainless steel, making it perfect for both everyday use and outdoor adventures. I found the 24 ounces capacity to be ideal for my daily needs, providing enough hydration without being too bulky to carry around. And now we've reached number 1 on our list of the best smart water bottles, the LARQ bottle. This innovative product combines advanced purification technology with sleek design and intelligent features, making it the top choice for smart hydration. I've been using the LARQ bottle for over 2 months now, and I can confidently say it's revolutionized the way I think about hydration. The standout feature of this bottle is its built-in UVC LED purification system. At the touch of a button, it eliminates up to 99.9999% of bacteria and 99.99% of viruses from your water in just 60 seconds. This feature gave me peace of mind when refilling my bottle from various sources, whether at the office, gym, or while traveling. The LARQ bottle connects to a smartphone app via Bluetooth, allowing you to track your water intake and set personalized hydration goals. The app is user-friendly and provides insightful data on your drinking habits and purification usage. I found the customizable reminders particularly helpful in maintaining consistent hydration throughout the day. One of the most impressive aspects of the LARQ bottle is its self-cleaning function. The UVC light activates every 2 hours for a 10-second cleaning cycle, keeping the inside of the bottle fresh and preventing the growth of bacteria. This means less frequent manual cleaning, which is a huge convenience. The bottle is made from double-walled, vacuum-insulated stainless steel, which keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12 hours. I was consistently impressed with how well it maintained the temperature of my beverages, even in varying outdoor conditions. The LARQ bottle comes in 2 sizes, 17 ounces and 25 ounces. I found the 25 ounces version perfect for my daily needs, providing ample hydration without being too bulky. The bottle's sleek design and range of stylish colors make it a fashionable accessory as well as a functional one. In conclusion, the smart water bottle market has come a long way, offering a range of features to suit different needs and preferences. From basic hydration tracking to advanced purification systems, there's a smart bottle out there for everyone. Whether you're looking to improve your daily water intake, ensure the purity of your drinking water, or simply want a bottle that keeps your beverages at the perfect temperature, one of these 7 options is sure to meet your needs. Remember, staying hydrated is crucial for your health, and these smart bottles make it easier and more enjoyable than ever. So, which one will you choose to level up your hydration game? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and health tips. Stay hydrated, friends.